Accidentally deleted an important file from Dropbox. Don't panic just yet. Dropbox may let you recover deleted files, depending on your plan and how long ago the file was removed. In this guide, I'll show you how to find and restore them. First, open Dropbox in your browser and sign in to the account where the file was originally stored. Once you're inside, open the main file navigation and look for deleted files. Click Deleted Files to see files and folders that have been removed from your Dropbox account. Browse the list or use the available search and filtering options to locate the file you're looking for. Find your deleted file and select it. Before restoring anything, check the file name and location so you know you've selected the correct item. This is especially useful when several files have similar names. Once you've selected the file, choose Restore. Dropbox will return the file to its previous location when the restoration is available. If you deleted a folder, restoring it may also bring back the files that were inside it. After restoring the file, go back to your Dropbox files and open the folder where it was originally stored. The restored item should appear there again. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page and check the folder carefully. Keep in mind that Dropbox doesn't keep deleted files forever. The recovery period depends on your Dropbox plan, and permanently deleted files may not be recoverable. So, if you realize something is missing, it's better to act sooner rather than later. If the file wasn't actually deleted, but an older version was replaced, check the file's version history instead. This can help you recover an earlier version of a document without restoring the entire file. And that's how to restore deleted files in Dropbox. Check deleted files first, restore the item, then verify its original location. And remember, recovery time is limited, so don't wait too long. Hopefully, that missing file is back where it belongs.